My video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Zarik Locker. In the video, you will find out why exactly this ransomware is called like that, and I will show you how damaging the ransomware is. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will simply show you the damaging effect of this ransomware and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly protect your data, even though I cannot guarantee that I'll help you to recover your data. So you have just clearly seen that before the ransomware's attack, we were able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular Zarik Locker ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. And then very soon, users just realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts the files and damages them considerably. And then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. So this is what happens with the files. They get encrypted, and this zarik5313 extension is appended to the file names. The ransom note is in Russian. By the way, do not pay the ransom and do not waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and then start researching your system with its help. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins investigating your computer, and then at the end of the scanning you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on the system. Certain threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. And by the way, you can request a trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature which helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner, though, does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. Anyway, at the end of the scan, you'll see the report. I recommend you to upgrade to premium, and this way your data will always be protected. You can also request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.